Boom shakalaka, big news today for Bitcoin cryptocurrency and the ULBRICHT family. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, big news for Bitcoin, crypto, and the ULBRICHT family. Before we get into it guys, like the video, join us on Twitter through Crypto Love, and of course subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel making daily videos for over 7 years. Now, today's video is sponsored by lak3. Stay tuned till the end for a sponsored review. If we take a look today, Fear and Greed Index jumping up to 84 from yesterday's extreme greed of 76. And as we can see, Bitcoin right now getting pushed up towards previous all-time highs at right about $108,000. But the big news today, just in, President Trump called Ross Ulbricht's mother to say it was his pleasure to have signed the full and unconditional pardon of her son Ross. He was given 2 life sentences plus 40 years. Ridiculous. This is incredible. We've been talking for the past since 6 years ago. As a matter of fact, we interviewed his mother back then, about 6 years ago, to see if we could free Ross, and it turns out that Ross has been freed. That's excellent. Congratulations. Now, this follows shortly after the Department of Government Efficiency, Doge.gov. Things are changing in the world today. And here's an interesting new chart, the market cap growth per presidential term. You can see that Obama, Trump, no hindrance, Biden, not such great returns. But guess what? There is a new mayor in town, or a new president in town, and there's a potential that generally the weeks after the inauguration have always been the most bullish for total 2, which is cryptocurrency minus Bitcoin. You can see that after inauguration is when the gains happen. Now, a lot of people are starting to get bearish. Do you really think it's time to become bearish, or maybe just a little patience might be overdue? Well, this chart pretty much explains all of it for you. Bitcoin has topped out. Is it over? Well, let's see. Bitcoin price peaks 230 to 330 days after breaking its previous all-time high, which we can see it has just done. Now, in 2017 cycle, Bitcoin peaked 233 days after. In 2021, it peaked 328 days after. If history repeats, Bitcoin would not have peaked, or would not peak for another few days, most likely around July to October of this year. All things considered, it's been a pretty tame January for the bull market, probably because we had a bit of a head start in December, but soon the January woes should be behind us. Most cycles have taken off after January 25th. You can see it's marked down here with these green arrows. So volatility is ramping up. Bitcoin is still just getting started this year. You can see that after January 25th, that's generally when things take off. So we might see by the end of the week some huge moves for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. As a matter of fact, if the current cycle, the black line, follows the 2017 cycle, which is the blue line, Bitcoin would be at $185,000 by the end of Q1. And guess what? That is not all, because as of right now, the Bitcoin daily correlation to the 2017 cycle is over 90%, which is a huge correlation. And if price does continue in this manner, well, we could be seeing $1 million by the end of this cycle. Pretty crazy, but definitely not outside the realm of possibility. Bitcoin right now playing with the Bollinger Bands EMA line right here. Historically, this has targeted or has started Bitcoin dominance drop, which has caused massive alt seasons. As Bitcoin price continues to go up, altcoins go up dramatically. So we could be on the verge of a massive alt season. There's a lot of room to run on these charts. As you can see right here, not nearly at the tops that we've seen previously. So a lot of room to run. And while some people are talking about a possible top, and again, difficult to see, but sometimes it can happen. Well, it looks like we have much longer to run. 90% of the gains are made in the last 10% of the bull market. So relax, there is still time. And now stay tuned for the review of lak3. Today's episode is sponsored by lak3. This is a sponsored review, not an endorsement of the project. So with any cryptocurrency, do your own due diligence. Now, lak3 is a pioneering real-world asset project redefining how the global water economy operates. They're leveraging blockchain technology to invite 8 billion passive consumers to participate and enjoy the benefits of reshaping the water economy. Now, with its RWA ecosystem, Lake connects water sources directly to consumers and businesses through blockchain-powered solutions, fostering transparency, accessibility, and new financial opportunities for all stakeholders. By integrating key services like the Spring-to-Consumer S2C for water distribution, the Community Business C2B for income generation, the Launchpad for investment in water sources, and its unique Burn-to-Secure B2S protocol for long-term water allocations, Lake is not only reshaping the water industry, but also setting new standards in the RWA and Web3 sectors. At the core of Lake ecosystem is the Lake token, your passport to the new water economy. LAK3 token is a borderless, usable anywhere, anytime by anyone thanks to blockchain. This universal cryptocurrency for water facilitates seamless buying, selling, securing, investing, and donating water, empowering individuals who switch from passive consumers to active players in this $300 billion water industry. Now, as of right now, Lake is officially live on Uniswap. The wait is over. LAK3 now listed on Uniswap. This is your chance to be part of something huge, shape and seize incredible financial opportunities in the $1 trillion water economy. Now, you can see the initial listing price was 20 cents, and you can see it listed here on Uniswap. And if we take a look at CoinMarketCap today, you can see the price has already jumped up about double from there. Also should be noted that Lake is the official cryptocurrency partner of the Wolves, and if you check them out on Twitter, Lake_Lake3, you can celebrate this, and you can potentially win hospitality tickets to Wolves versus Arsenal. Pretty interesting. Now, if we take a look at the website, inviting people to the water economy with Web3, Lake is a real-world asset RWA ecosystem. Now, they have a few different things down here. They have buy water, sell water, secure water, and invest water. So with the buy water spring to consumer, why complicate access to water? Lake's spring to consumer model transforms the water industry by connecting sources directly to consumers. More transparency, better quality, and fairer value chain for all. They sell water with community to business. C2B turn water into a source of passive income with Lake's community business model. Individuals can earn directly from participating in large-scale water deals by connecting communities and businesses, unlocking sustainable financial opportunities within the water economy, and then secure water with the Burn-to-Secure protocol. Future-proof your access to water with Lake's innovative Burn-to-Secure B2S protocol. By burning LAK3 or Lake tokens, users secure private water allocations for decades, supported by blockchain technology. Moreover, it's a deflationary model that safeguards resources while enhancing the token scarcity and value. Also, you can invest in water to get Spring Water shares. You can see their partners and press, Wolves FC, and some other partners right up here. And then about Lake ecosystem. So it's a real world asset. They leverage blockchain technology to decentralize the water industry, introducing the Lake token as a first universal cryptocurrency for water. Lake creates a decentralized, transparent, and efficient ecosystem, inviting individuals to the water economy. Like we mentioned earlier, buy water, sell water, invest in water. So S2C model is a groundbreaking approach to water distribution that significantly shortens the traditional supply chain by connecting water sources directly to consumers through the Lake platform. The C2B model for selling water democratizes the access to water economy by enabling individuals to participate in large-scale sales that would typically be out of reach. This inclusivity ensures a more equitable distribution of economic benefits, allowing a broader range of participants to share in profits. And finally, investing in water with the Lake Launchpad. The Lake ecosystem offers an unprecedented opportunity for Lake token holders to become real shareholders in water sources around the world. This unique investment pathway allows users to acquire the true equity in water projects, providing the potential for substantial financial returns and dividends. The Lake token, or LAK3 token, is the cryptocurrency at the heart of Lake. It's a native ERC20 token with a fixed supply of 950 million tokens. It's used for ecosystem operations, transactions, and more on Lake. And then you can join the Lake community, get involved in the water economy. Together, you can build a future where water is accessible to all, empowering individuals and communities to thrive. Join Lake today, be part of this innovative initiative that will forever change the way we access and interact with water. They have a couple programs, the Sea Lake program, which is a gamified bounty campaign, and the Droplet program, a loyalty rewards program. So that is the website there. Also, we can take a look at the roadmap, shaping the roadmap for the future. You can see, if you scroll down to the bottom, some previous roadmaps that are already delivered, and they are quite comprehensive roadmaps. But also, if we take a look here, we have the current in progress roadmaps for the next few months. So that is all for Lake today. Big news is official listing on Uniswap and also partnership with the Wolves FC. Thank you for sponsoring the episode. I will catch you later. Have a good one. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.